Now we know that the adult human RBCs are enucleated. So in this question, you have to identify which statement is most appropriate explanation for this feature. Option A, they do not need to reproduce. Now, while this is true for RBCs because they do not reproduce, but this is not the reason that nucleus is absent. Hence, it is incorrect. Option B, they are somatic cells. It is also incorrect because being somatic cells, it is not sufficient to explain that the nucleus should be absent because most somatic cells in the human body do have nucleus. Option C, they do not metabolize. This is also incorrect because RBCs do metabolize but anaerobically to generate ATP. However, they lack mitochondria and they do not undergo this oxidative phosphorylation. But this is not the reason why that is enucleated. Option D, all their internal space is available for oxygen transport. Now, the enucleation of RBC really provides more space for hemoglobin. So, it is much essential. This adaptation is essential because it enhances the oxygen carrying capacity of RBCs. So, it is the most appropriate explanation. Thus, it is the correct answer.